Is Bitcoin going down to the 64K again? I will tell you everything about it in this video with multiple time frames for Bitcoin, and I will talk about some altcoins with you. Check my X channel and follow me there for daily updates about Bitcoin and altcoins in general. Let's dive into the charts. In the weekend, Bitcoin pumped to 66K again and almost to the 67K, and we had a massive CME gap at the $64,000. So what I expect is Bitcoin coming down from this point and retouches the 64K again. So we might see a little bit of downside this week. So be careful trading here, and keep in mind that the CME gap most of the time will be closed. Also on the daily chart, we can see a big run-up for Bitcoin, some consolidation, and then we break the lower side trendline support, and we are now currently almost retesting this support as resistance again. And yeah, we can see Bitcoin is almost creating a bearish retest, and what I expect for Bitcoin is that we are going down from this point. Of course, we can invalidate this this formation by just pumping straight into this formation again, and on the other chart we can see Bitcoin is creating some sort of a range, and we can see this as a bull flag formation. Yeah, we can see we touched the upper trend line's resistance, and then we came back down from the for the support. We bounced, trend line resistance, bouncing. We just bounced from the support in the range, and now we came up. But yeah, we have to see if Bitcoin can come up to the resistance again and create a new all-time high. So if we go to this upper trend line resistance again, and we might break it, because then we can see the break of a bull flag, and we can aim for higher levels, and then we immediately make a new all-time high. And to measure the target of the bull flag breakout, you just measure the start from the impulse to the high from the range, and then you take the same amount of price range and then put it on the lower side support, and then you can see the breakout target for Bitcoin will be around the $95,000, so that will be insane. And yeah, I think if we go there, we will immediately touch the 100K. And if we then look at the Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, we can see Bitcoin is currently holding the support very nice. You can see big wicks on the lower side of the last 2 weeks, the weekly candles, and this is very bullish in my opinion, because we can see the support is holding strong, and now we can aim for higher prices again. But yeah, keep in mind that the CME gap at 64,000 is still open, so we might see a little bit of a drop off and maybe then come up again. And yesterday the inflow of the Bitcoin ETF was positive again. We saw a net inflow of the $62 million again in the Bitcoin ETFs. Grayscale, they just keep selling, but it's getting less and less. And IBIT, so the BlackRock ETF is still buying, and also the Fidelity Bitcoin ETF is also still buying a lot. So that's why we get a net inflow again of 62 million yesterday. And so today the US markets will be open again, so we might see another huge inflow of money again. And also keep in mind that on the 30th of April, in Hong Kong, the Bitcoin ETF and the Ethereum ETF will be going live. So that will also create a lot of volatility around Bitcoin, but also around Ethereum. The first altcoin I want to discuss with you is VeChain. I want to look at VeChain on the 4-hour time frame, because this is a very special time frame for me now, and this is the current time frame I'm looking at. You can see a lot of resistance and support in this area, and we are currently at a resistance here. So what I expect for VeChain is that we come back down a little bit, and you also can see already a little bit of rejection from this point. But of course, what we all want to see is like another gain from this level, and then we can retest this level as support and then aim for high price. That would be the most healthy price action. But yeah, keep in mind we can also come down from this point, and you can see we had a massive consolidation pattern, falling wedge pattern to the downside. It broke out to the top side, and yeah, the price target of this falling wedge formation is obviously the top side of the formation. So we can also expect a little bit of a bounce to the top side, and then we can reach the 5 cents again. And also an interesting coin to talk about is XRP, especially on the weekly time frame, because we can see a massive consolidation pattern, and this pattern has been in this, and XRP has been in this pattern since December 2021. On the lower side, we can see a lot of support, and yeah, 2 weeks ago it fell below the support, but yeah, we can see a little bit of a bounce, and now we are trading above the trendline support again. What I want to see for XRP is a close inside of this formation again, and yeah, what I want to see is a close around here, so we can confirm that we had a good a week, because we can also see like that XRP is going to close it right here, and then it's going to make a bearish retest, and then we have to aim for lower prices again. So yeah, this is the make or break week for XRP. And the last altcoin I want to discuss with you is Cardano. Cardano yeah, made it beautifully run up from the lower prices around the $24 and we are now in this massive consolidation formation, and yeah, we can see almost like a falling wedge formation. We are almost at the top side resistance, so yeah, what we want to see is of course a breakout from this level, and we break the trend line, retest it as support, and then we aim for higher prices. But yeah, we can also keep consolidating in this pattern until the apex is getting reached. But yeah, for me, Cardano is like the sleeping giant, and I think we will see a lot of gains in the coming bull market for Cardano. And keep in mind that when we break out, the target of this breakout will be the top side of the formation, and that will be around the 77 cents. So from this point, that would still be a nice gain from around 50%, more than 50%. So yeah, my bags are ready for a new massive move on Cardano. The most interesting thing for Bitcoin to look at this week is the CME gap at the 64,000. So keep in mind that we can come down. This was it for today. I hope you liked this update video on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel. And also don't forget to follow me on X, where I share my daily content and where I always post my my analysis about Bitcoin and a lot of altcoins. So everyone, have a good day, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.